How'd you do that? What are you doing? Still filming. I felt it. He found my thing on the way down. That's fun. Put your goggles and now your camera. I won't do it again on the helmet. That's too. But I'm getting him. That's a pretty wild little slide. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm not filming straight. Get him. Is he gonna do the rope?
What do you got? Just jump, climb up there and jump?
I think they use the rope. That's gonna be a funny video.